Hello and welcome to tutorial number 30 in the Microsoft Visual Basic .NET Programming Tutorials, and this is going to be a quick tutorial to teach you how to download the file and then start it, or run it if you want to say that. So let's create a new project and call it download and run. This is just 2 lines of code, it's not much, but just thought I'd show you how to do it. So go ahead and add a button which is going to initiate the download, and put the text as download, and double click the button for the code. Okay, for this the requirements are you're just going to need a executable file, or you can even add any type of file, but for this we're going to use executable file. So just use one of your Visual Basic 2008 applications and just upload that to ripway.com or a similar hosting site. You're going to need a hosting site that gives a direct URL for the download, not one like Mega Upload or RapidShare, because they don't give direct URLs. So once you have an executable file and you have uploaded it to Ripway or a similar website, you're ready to begin. So the first line of code is simple, it's just my.computer.network.download file, and then in brackets first we have brackets and then quotations. In the first set of quotations we're going to have the URL, so that'll be something like http www.mywebsite.com/file.exe, something similar to that, or ripway.com/file.exe, whatever link you get from Ripway, but it has to be a direct link. So I'll just change this with URL, and then we have a comma, and in the second set of brackets we're going to say what we want to save the file as. So for this we're going to save it as and downloaded file.exe, and then we'll end the brackets. So all that's going to do is download the file, that is the URL here, and save it to this location. So now we've downloaded the file, we need to open the file or run it. So we simply used process.start, and in brackets we'll simply type the same path that we put here, which is c downloaded file.exe. And that's just a simple way to download and run a file. Now please don't use this maliciously to try and get someone to download your keylogger or whatever you want to use. Please don't use, you can get into trouble for that. I'm just showing you how to do this because you could use this for, say, updating your application or something similar. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions just leave a comment. If you have any suggestions or requests, leave a comment, and please rate the video and subscribe. Thanks.